Good morning, Read 180. I just wanted to post a quick video about our assignment for today. I hope that you guys are still continuing to turn in week 6, day 1, the article about the bear hunts that have been going on for children during this pandemic. If you have not yet turned in this assignment, please make sure that you are checking it out and getting that turned in as soon as possible. For today's assignment, we'll be continuing our work with context clues. You'll be reading the following passage and answering the questions that go along with it directly on the Google Doc. So let's look at our Google Doc, shall we? Alrighty. For today, you guys will be reading the passage, Are We Done Yet? I'll be reading this to you shortly after I go through each question. Okay, so each question, there's only 4. We're going to be looking at where does the story take place, and what context clues or clues directly from our passage helped you to know where it takes place. And then our vocab word for today is nutritious. What does nutritious mean? And you are going to use clues from the text to help you know what this meaning is. So let's look at our passage, and then we will take a closer look at each question just so you guys know what needs to happen for today. Are we done yet? Are we done yet? I whined as I followed Mom. A few more things and then we will be done. Try and be patient and stay out of the way, please. Can I get some cookies? No, they are not nutritious like apples and oranges. You need healthy snacks to help you grow, Mom explained. Why don't you pick out some yogurt to have with lunch? I'm starving. What are we having for lunch? I asked. I put some lunch meat in the cart. We'll make some sandwiches as soon as we get home. Okay, so when we are thinking about where this story takes place, remember that they are asking about food and they are talking about what they're putting in their cart. So be thinking very carefully about where this story takes place and make sure that you are pulling things directly from the text to show your context clues of how you know this. And then you're going to be looking at the word nutritious. So let's look at this line one more time, and the line before it as well. Can we get some cookies? No, they are not nutritious, like apples and oranges. So make sure you are thinking about what the word nutritious means, and make sure you tell me how you know that as well. And that is your entire assignment for today, you guys. So make sure that you are getting that completed and submitted and turned in to me. I will be updating Progress Book daily. So make sure that you are checking Progress Book for any missing assignments. I will be making phone calls home today as well. So if you have quite a few missing assignments, I will be calling home and emailing just to try and get in touch with you to make sure you're all right. Other than that, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. It's supposed to be prettier today than it was yesterday. So have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys soon.